Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Clash Royale game on your PC without using any emulators. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser. In order to install Google Play Games Beta, just use the search box to search for this application, and now from the search results, click on Play Mobile Games on your PC. When you click on this link, you will be redirected to the Google Play Games Beta page. Just click on Download Beta to download the installer and just open up the file that is downloaded. After it is opened up, you can simply click through the next buttons until the application is installed. Once it is done, the app will open up by itself. You might be asked to log in to your Google ID, so log in using your credentials. And now from the home page, just click on the search button. Then just type in Clash Royale within the search box, and once you find the game, go ahead and click on it. You will now see the install button. Click on the install button, and now you can also choose to add a shortcut on your desktop. Just wait until the download is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button over here, which means you can click on it to start playing right away, and you can also launch it from the desktop shortcut. Alternatively, you can use the Windows Search Spotlight in order to search for your game to start playing it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play the Clash Royale game on your PC without using any emulators. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.